The Porsche Macan is the perfect vehicle for anyone who wants to do more with their commute. It's packed with features that make everyday life easier, more entertaining and more productive. And now it comes in two sizes, so there's a Porsche Macan for everyone. You can use your finger to quickly swipe between apps or zoom into photos. With just one hand, you can easily reach content at the top of the screen without adjusting your grip or switching hands. You won't find another vehicle like it on the market today. It's not just an amazing car, but also an incredible experience you can have every day of your life. With our lease program, you get all of the benefits of owning a Porsche, without any of the hassle or expense. We offer flexible terms that fit your budget and lifestyle. So what are you waiting for? Get started today by filling out our quick online form. We would love to help you find your next dream car. Click the link in description to talk to our expert Porsche dealers.